Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Tiana, and we're just gonna get right into it because obviously y'all clicked the video because y'all want to see how to do this hair. So let's get to it. Okay, so first starting out, I just have these braids in my head because I took my wig off and I already know I look a mess right now. So if I'm looking this way, it's because my bathroom mirror is right here, so just, you know, try and work with me. So this is my hair fresh out the braids, and it's very dirty. So if you see any flakes flying out, mind your business, okay? But I'm gonna just kind of rinse out, you know, all this like edge control and stuff. I'm gonna rinse that out, and then I'm gonna just like re-blow dry it, but not as detailed because we don't want no heat damage. So now that all of the flakes are like out of my hairline and stuff, I'm gonna just take a wide tooth comb and a brush, and I'm gonna just start to like brush everything out. And then I'm gonna spray it a little bit, and then I'm gonna blow dry with my blow dryer. So I'm gonna just take my Infinity Pro hair dryer and I'm gonna get to blow drying. Oh my gosh, this is so stiff. Look at that. So I just finished blow drying my entire head. So now y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh, more heat. But I'm gonna just take a my flat iron. I'm gonna put it on like medium heat and just do a couple passes through my whole head, because this ponytail has to be popping, okay? See, my hair is growing, but I need to trim, so I need to probably trim about this much off, maybe about this much. So I finished running the flat iron through my hair. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks the same as when it was blow dried, but when I put it in a ponytail, it's so much easier. Like, look at that. So here's the hair that I got from the beauty supply store. This is what I'm gonna be using to make my ponytail. Look, I got it in the color 4, and this hair is already pre-stretched. So I'm gonna leave the rubber band that it comes with attached to it just to save me the hassle. So now I'm gonna just take my hair and brush it back. Okay, so now that all my hair is back, I'm gonna just take my Eco Styling Gel, the crystal one. Ooh, what is that? That's that hang time. Bald. Weird. So I'm gonna just take just a little bit on my fingers. We're just gonna do little by little because you don't want to do too much of this. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the yellow Got To Be and just put it like on the perimeter of my hair. Sleek. That's exactly how I need it. And now we're just smoothing it up into the ponytail how we like it. So now I just threw the ponytail holder in my hair. I'm going to take a little bit more of this and really just smooth everything. So it's the next day. Once you get your ponytail attached, all you really do is just take that rubber band and wrap it around your head. Then boom, just gonna want to play with it until you get it how you like it. So then I just like to twist it so it reduces all the flyaways, and then boom. And then see how it's like pointy right there? You're just gonna take a bobby pin, kind of flatten it out, and then just stick it inside. And then boom, look at that, the perfect top knot. So this is the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely stay tuned for my next video. Bye y'all.
No hook 0.5, oh, hey, pull up with nines, hey, if you don't fuck with my set, they carry text and drive, hey, don't text my